Hey there! Welcome back to Luxo-Life. Today, we're diving into an inspiring story. Meet our friend. Now let's call him Jake. Jake hears that awful alarm sound every morning and dreads starting his hated job's day. He believes he is stuck, underappreciated, and not moving forward in life. That's something many of us can relate to, right? But guess what? We decided that the only way out of the situation is to start a business and become our own boss. So, we took the leap of faith and quit our job. Exciting, huh? But hold on. Before we go any further, let's be real with you. Life isn't always a smooth ride. As seasoned multi-millionaire entrepreneurs, we've witnessed hundreds of people who followed their dreams and started their own businesses. But truth be told, only a small percentage of them truly succeeded. Entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, and we're not here to sugarcoat it. Now don't get us wrong. We're not trying to crush your dreams, not at all. We just want to keep it real. Therefore, we've outlined 5 essential tasks for you to complete before you ever consider starting a business of any kind. Trust us, they'll make all the difference. Stay tuned! Step 1. Time to crush those delusions. Yup, you heard us right, crush them. You know what we're talking about, right? That whole idea they've been selling you, the one about entrepreneurship being all about that eureka moment, the perfect idea that'll change your life forever. They make it sound like a fairy tale, and we get it. It's captivating. We've all seen those headlines like, "How I became a millionaire overnight," or "I quit my job and boom, instant success." But here's the deal. Those stories, while real for some lucky folks, they're the exception, not the rule. Oh, we've been there, bought into those fantasies too. But let's face it, it's time to burst that bubble of lies. Trust us, it's way better to wake up now rather than later, when reality gives you a nasty wake-up call. We learned this the hard way. Shared our brilliant plans with a so-called friend, and bam, he stole them and ran. Ouch, right? But we didn't give up. No siree. We adapted, strategized, and clawed our way back up. You see, when you need it to work, not just want it to, you find that inner strength to overcome anything. And here's a little secret. Most successful entrepreneurs are not divine beings with all the answers. Nope, they're just like you and me, figuring things out as they go along. It's all part of the journey, friend. Embrace the failures, expect them, learn from them, and you'll be on the path to success. Step 2. Time for a friend upgrade. Seriously, consider it. Replace those friends. Now, don't get us wrong, we love our buddies, but sometimes as entrepreneurs, we outgrow our old circles. It happens. In fact, studies show that a lot of folks, not just entrepreneurs, feel lonely, but we suspect it hits us even harder. We get it. We've been there. So focused on building our dreams that we didn't notice the loneliness creeping in. And guess what? When we finally looked up from our grind, we realized our old pals couldn't relate to our new mindset and lifestyle. It was tough, feeling lost and disconnected. But then it hit us. It's part of the growth process. Outgrowing friends can be painful, but it's natural. So, don't be afraid to seek out new people who are on the same level as you. Finding a co-founder can be a game changer. They're right there in the trenches with you, fighting the same battles. Just choose wisely. This is someone you'll be spending loads of time with, maybe even more than your family. So, make sure they've got your back, especially during tough times. Step 3. Let's talk about money. Oh yeah, it's time to rethink money. Picture this. We've got this dude, let's call him Alex, who previously found it difficult to close lucrative transactions. The reason? He put too much pressure on himself when it came to talking about money. Customers could sense his discomfort, and boom, deals slipped right through his fingers. But hey, here's where things got interesting. Alex's savvy mentor stepped in and dropped some wisdom on him. He told Alex to carry around a cool $1,000 in cash everywhere he went. Crazy, right? But wait, it gets better. Alex actually tried it out, scraped together all he had, and boom, pocket money. It's crazy how quickly it shifted his money mindset. Soon enough, he was closing deals left and right, becoming a multimillionaire in his early 20s. Now that's some serious cash flow. If you're in a day job, we bet you might have this money mindset issue too, without even realizing it. But hey, to rock it in the business world, you gotta believe there's money to be made. Loads of it. And here's the thing, don't be afraid to spend it. This isn't a time to go into major debt, but if you have it available and you need it, go for it. As a business owner, we've shelled out hundreds of thousands of this month alone, and no regrets. Investing in your business, whether it's in your team, inventory, or tech, is a game changer in the long run. So, say goodbye to that scarcity mentality and start seeing money as your powerful tool to build wealth. Step 4. Now let's tackle the overwhelming whirlwind that is being an entrepreneur. We feel you. Did you know that a whopping 72% of small business owners wrestle with the feeling of being completely overwhelmed? Yep, it's no joke. Balancing daily tasks, making crucial decisions, and raking in revenue while trying to maintain a social life, it's like spinning a gazillion plates at once. You see, as the boss, we can't just clock out and call it a day. Oh no, that's not how it works. We're fully responsible for keeping the cash flowing and the business growing. So, it grinds our gears when someone says, "Hey, take the day off, you're the boss." Ha, yeah right. But fret not, fellow entrepreneurs, we've discovered a game-changing solution. Maximize efficiency. Oh yeah, it's a secret weapon to keep things running like a well-oiled machine. Want to know our little stress-busting trick? Drum roll, please. It's all about those killer systems and processes. You see, relying solely on people can be a real headache. What happens when a key employee bails? Chaos. That's why, early on, it's crucial to put those amazing systems and processes in place. Think of it as your business's ultimate manual. So even if someone new jumps on board, they can hit the ground running. It's pure gold. Plus, here's a bonus tip. Having these systems makes your business super attractive to potential buyers down the road. They know they're getting a well-oiled machine, ready to bring in some serious ROI. So, get ahead of the game, be efficient, and let those systems do the heavy lifting. Trust us, your future self will thank you for it. Step 5. Time to unleash the wolf within. Yep, it's time to become a wolf. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work, and ain't that the truth? If you want to rock the success game, you gotta build yourself a solid pack. We're talking about a killer team. Sure, it's tempting to think you can do it all solo. We've been there, thought we were invincible. But reality check, it's just not sustainable. Eventually, you'll hit a point where you're making great money, but it's costing you valuable relationships and experiences. That's when you will realize it's time to expand and hire your first employee. Yup, even if it feels light years away, just play along with us. Imagine handing off those little tasks that eat up your time to someone else. What a relief! It does, however, have its own set of difficulties and potential pitfalls. We remember our first hire, bringing someone on board to serve customers in our shop. Phew! Talk about a game changer. Now here's a crucial piece of advice. Don't go looking for a clone of yourself. Nuh-uh, you won't find them, because if they were exactly like you, they'd be running a competing business. The real magic happens when you hire people who are better than you in different areas. Yeah, you heard that right. Let them shine in their strengths, and they'll level up your business like never before. So, be strategic in picking your Wolfpack members and watch as they contribute to your success and growth. Remember, it's not just about you anymore. It's about sharing the journey with this awesome team you've built along the way. Together, you'll conquer the business world. Thanks for hanging out with us here at Luxo-Life. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening journey through the world of entrepreneurship. Now, before you go, we've got a burning question for you. Are you ready to level up your business game? If you're as pumped as we are, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and insights. We're all about helping you achieve your dreams and become the successful entrepreneur you're destined to be. Got any thoughts or experiences to share about today's topic? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. For now, it's time to unleash your inner wolf and conquer the business world. We believe in you, and we can't wait to see you thrive. Until next time, keep hustling and keep living that Luxo life.